everyone, I am Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm not going to talk any technical details of homeschooling, but just a heart-to-heart chat from a homeschooling mama to the parents who are just starting their journey of homeschooling or just new in this parenting, homeschooling kind of thing. So just some experiences I want to share, some things I want to talk about. That's all about it. So let's start. Starting with a story as usual. If you know me, my elder one was born in 2013, and that is when I quit my job. I was working for 8 to 9 years before that in a very good job. And 2014, my second girl was born, and it was near about 2015-16 when I decided I am going to keep them home and I am not going back to work. Decision to homeschool them came later, but yes, decision to not send them to school came earlier. So basically, that is the time when people got to know. People means through social media, my family, friends, everyone got to know that Surabhi is not going back to work, and she's doing it because she wants to keep kids home or she want to homeschool them, kind of thing. So what I heard during those days was, wow, you're such a good mom, you're doing such a great sacrifice for your kids. Some people told, wow, you must be teaching something very extraordinary to your kids and they will be definitely genius. Your sacrifice of not going back to work or not joining your job back would really give you very good results and all that. And I heard, but that time I did not process it much, mainly because it was really insane because of two small kids around me. But yeah, I had been listening to these kind of statements for quite a long time. Came 2019, I was in a wedding, on a family wedding, and very, very well-meaning relatives. Really nice people. They met me, they talked about what I'm doing, whatever they had heard in social media, wanted to know more. And then very sweetly, that lady, that she went down to my kids standing next to me, and she said, your mom is doing so much for you, you better remember it in your life and you give it back. And yeah, she was very sweet in saying that, nothing wrong with that. But yeah, it hit me because she was saying the same thing in a much straightforward way, that your mother is sacrificing for you, so give it back. And I realized that yes, when you sacrifice for someone, you do expect an outcome, or you do expect a return back as an outcome, you can say that. In a very very practical sense, I'm saying कि जब आप मंदिर में कोई कुछ लोग हमारे यहाँ पे भी जब सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं किसी एनिमल का, तो आप कुछ चाहते हो भगवान से, तभी आप सेक्रीफाइस करते हो कि मैं ये चढ़ाऊंगा, मैं वो चढ़ाऊंगा. तो उसके सेक्रीफाइसेस, इट्स इन रिलीजन. मैं कुछ सेक्रीफाइस कर रही हूँ कि मैं आज कोई आइसक्रीम नहीं खा रही हूँ, कि तो मैं उसको 4 दिन बाद अपने हस्बैंड को रियलाइज जरूर करवाती हूँ, मैंने उस दिन नहीं खाई थी ना, और तुमने मेरे लिए ये नहीं किया. सो when I feel in practical sense, whenever you say sacrifice, it is always associated with some return, some outcome. And so that is a brutal truth about sacrifice. So this is my personal request, do not make sacrifices for your kids. Do not make sacrifices for your kids. If there is something which it will be your job, it will be some aspiration, your dream, your passion, something which really means a lot to you, do not sacrifice it for your kids, for homeschooling or for anything. Do not sacrifice for your kids. Because you know why? Because again, I said, when you sacrifice something, you expect an outcome, a return. And when you sacrifice for homeschooling your kids, what is the outcome you expect from it? Okay, I'm not judging anyone, but probably I would expect my kids to crack some exams, maybe do amazing things in their career, maybe amazing results in exams or something like that, and setting that expectation from your child because you sacrificed something for them, so they should pay you back by all these things. I don't think it's fair. I don't think it is right. And I would say it will be very hard for you as a parent in case it doesn't happen. I expect my kids to be financially independent when they're older. Basically because me and my husband would not be able to support them financially once we grow old or we are no more. So that is my wish. That they are financially independent at a stage when we are not there. But apart from that, I should not have these kind of expectations for them. I mean, having a wish for them, nice wishes for them, seeing them glowing, seeing them growing is good. But attaching it to कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए sacrifice कर रही हूँ तो मुझे ये result चाहिए, आप इसे straight forward बोलो, आप इसे undertone में बोलो, or you feel it inside. I'm just telling this feeling of sacrificing for your kids is going to be hurtful later because बच्चे हैं, they might not I mean, like, I wish all the kids come up to be something really good in their life, but सबका सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन, सबके लाइफ के वेज अलग होंगे एंड इट माइट बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट यू वुड हैव प्लान फॉर देम, यू नो. तो अपने सेक्रीफाइस की, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए ये किया था, या मैंने अपनी जॉब तुम्हारे लिए छोड़ी थी, या मैंने आई गेव अप माई करियर, आई गेव माई पैशन, आई गेव माई दिस थिंग जस्ट बिकॉज आई कुड होम स्कूल यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग एट होम और यू आर नॉट गिविंग गुड रिजल्ट्स टू मी. This is dangerous. You know why? Because anyways, when you start homeschooling your kid, it is going to be hard on a relationship of you and a child. As a mother, I feel this is very hard to be a teacher and a mother to my child. I mean, like, yes, it's very, very hard on a relationship as such. I have to take some decisions as a teacher when I am teaching them, which I would not have taken if I had been a mother. You know, I would let things slip away. I still try to at times, but still, I'm not that cool kind of mom, you know. I ensure there is some discipline in studies. I ensure there is some discipline in the work which is given, some routines and everything, which I think I would not have needed to do if I would not have been homeschooling and just a mother. So anyways, this homeschooling thing is very hard on a relationship of mine and my kids at times, and it is always a very fine line of love which I try to maintain, and that always making sure that I'm a mother first and a teacher second. But still, I'm just telling you that अगर मैंने अपने इस relationship में जो already बहुत strained है because of this complexity thing of mother and a teacher, if I add this sacrifice component in this relationship, it is going to be very hard and maybe painful and hurtful for both the people, you and as well your child. What if the child comes back and tell me, मैंने तो नहीं कहा था मेरे लिए सेक्रीफाइस करो, मैंने तो नहीं बोला था आपको मुझे होम स्कूल करो. मैं मतलब हो सकता है, राइट? एज ऑफ नाउ, इवन मैंने आस्क माई किड्स यू वांट टू होम स्कूल, उनके होम स्कूल होने के रीजंस लाइक सुबह नहीं उठना है, ड्रेस नहीं पहननी है, मुझे अपनी मर्जी करनी है, या मुझे पूरे दिन स्कूल में नहीं रहना है, दोस काइंड ऑफ रीजंस. दे डोंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ हार्ड इट इज फॉर मी टू होम स्कूल एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, एंड आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट देम, दे आर किड्स. बट इफ आई पुट दिस बर्डन कि मैंने तुम्हें होम स्कूल करने के लिए अपनी जॉब क्विट करी है एंड ऑल दैट, नो. सो कमिंग बैक टू दिस, जब उस लेडी ने मेरे बच्चों को कहा कि यू नो यू बेटर गिव बैक टू योर मॉम, इट जस्ट सडनली, इट जस्ट आउट ऑफ द ब्लू, मैंने सोचा नहीं, बट आई रिप्लाइड बैक टू हर दैट यू नो आई एम नॉट सेक्रीफाइसिंग इट फॉर देम. आई एम नॉट होम स्कूलिंग बिकॉज आई मीन आई डिड नॉट सेक्रीफाइस or quit my job because I wanted to, like, it's not for them. I did it for me. I wanted to homeschool. I wanted to be with them. I want to spend as much time as with them. And it is very hard for me to, you know, think of going back to job and sending them to school. I just can't do it. So I'm not doing anything for them. I'm very thankful for them that they are at home and they agree to stay at home and they agree to homeschool, and they are not fighting that mama send us to school, because it will be very hard for me to send them to school. So no, I'm not doing anything. I mean, they don't have to give it back to me for anything. I'm just very grateful that they are agreeing to homeschool and they agreed to be with me, because yeah, it's hard to be with mama all the time. Mama is very rude at times. So no, I am not doing anything for them, so they don't have to return anything back to me. I just wish my kids to be healthy and happy and just grow in their life and just, you know, just be happy. That's all as a mother I wish for. I have not done any sacrifices for them. Whatever I have done, if I quit my job, if I made the changes in my life, this is because I wanted it. I wanted to homeschool them. I do not find the jobs or any dream or passion worth to leave this thing, you know. And if anything in my life comes a stage where I feel that that thing is more important to me than homeschooling, then maybe I'll quit homeschooling. That's okay. But no, kids are not the reason. They are not responsible, and not they are you know, they don't have to give back to me anything. No. So whatever I'm doing, because I wanted to do it. If I've quit my job because I wanted to quit, if I don't want to go back to work, I don't, I mean, like, it's all for me. I'm not doing it for my husband or my home or for my kids or for anyone. I'm doing myself. And it's important ki when you do something for yourself, when you do sacrifice for yourself, then the outcome or the feelings associated with it, even sadness or happiness, I am completely responsible for it. If I make a sacrifice for someone else, then other person get responsible for its outcome, and that's a lot of power to that person, which I don't agree to give. So I don't sacrifice for my husband, because अगर मैं करूंगी तो मुझे पता है मुझे वापसी में कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए होगा और फिर लड़ाई होने वाली है मेजर. So I try not to sacrifice. And for kids, so I definitely don't want to sacrifice anything, because I don't want to burden them with the expectations of of returning back to me. वो खुश रहें, हेल्दी रहें और अच्छे रहें. आई मीन लाइक बस सेफ रहें, हैप्पी रहें. दैट्स ऑल इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू मी. तो इफ यू आर डिसाइडिंग टू होम स्कूल or taking it is such big decision, just think about it. If you want to do something, do it for yourself, just because you want it. Not कि मैं अपने बच्चों के लिए कर रही हूँ, मैं अपने हस्बैंड के लिए कर रही हूँ, या मैं अपनी वाइफ या अपनी फैमिली के लिए कर रही हूँ. Don't do that, because if you do that, it will be stressful for you, it will be stressful for your relationship, and it will be hurtful. You'll be in a lot of pain, and nothing is worth it. A happy mom or a happy parent is the most important thing in any family. आप होम स्कूल करो ना करो, डजेंट मैटर, बट थिंक अबाउट योर ओन हैप्पीनेस. थिंक अबाउट व्हाट डू यू वांट. किसी के लिए सेक्रीफाइस करने की ना ज़रूरत है, एंड डोंट डू इट. सो योर किड्स डू नॉट नीड योर सेक्रीफाइसेस. Just they need your love. They need just love, nothing else. Trust me, as in all these 8 years, that they just need my love, nothing else. They can give up anything. Just mama should love them. So don't sacrifice. It is not at all worth it for your relationship, even with your kids. So that's all I wanted to say. So thank you for listening. Bye bye.